with Mr. Wagner. Mr. Wagner, can you tell me a little bit about what your 8th grade students are doing in class?
Yes, we're designing keychains using Tinkercad. So a lot of students have not had experience with Tinkercad before, and they're going to be using that program to come up with a keychain that they can print and take home with them.
Now, what is this program?
This program, it's a free online tutorial, and you can use it for designing pretty much anything you want for 3D printing, including everything that I do in my room. It's all 3D printed. So they're just in the process of learning how to use that, and we're going to be using it quite a bit this year.
What are some of the limitations that they have to make for their keychains?
They have a size limitation. They have it has to be a regular size keychain. It can't be anything like this big. They also are allowed to have up to 3 colors, and we want to have a height that is respectable for a keychain so it can fit in their pockets properly.
And how will using this program relate to what they do in class?
So we're going to have a lot of activities throughout the year. We're going to be building boats to hold a certain weight for pennies. We're also going to be doing our cereal box sorting challenge, where students are going to design filters for things to fall through, and they have to go to different positions. It's really going to be used throughout the whole year for a lot of projects.
And just looking around your room, I see a lot of 3D printed things. Is there anything that you're proud of most?
I'm just happy that I was able to do this in less than 2 years, that I was able to, they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. I was able to learn how to do this real quick with the help of my son, and it's really taken off, gotten us grants, gotten us 6 3D printers. It's really awesome how quickly it all came together.
Alrighty, that sounds good. Thank you.